Well, it's one of my favorite events. It's called the world's largest swim lesson. So globally, today, folks are having swim lessons to promote the awareness that formal swim lessons moves the needle towards reducing preventable drownings. Preventable drowning is a real thing. For children between 1 and 4, it's one of the leading causes of preventable injury. And so to the extent that we can promote water safety, we feel like in Whatcom County, we're buying sometimes seconds, sometimes minutes, when we can get children comfortable in water and comfortable enough to perform procedures where they can cry out for help or swim to the side of a pool, then it's a win-win. We're going to just start off with a brief overview about life safety issues, and then I'm going to, depending on their levels, we'll play games, we'll blow bubbles, and we'll work towards getting very, very comfortable with getting our head underneath the water. Would be a good goal. Whether it's preschool 1 or whether it's youth 5, I always underscore the importance of a good back float, because when you're back floating, your mouth is out of the water and you can cry for help. Before I get too far in the weeds with technique, it's about survival and safety first. It's been one of the more rewarding things that I've done in the 3 years that I've been doing that. It's that old cliche, I always get more than I give when I do these lessons. Whether it's just kids cracking me up or kids, reaching milestones that, you didn't think were attainable. And it's just like, yeah, it's such a wonderful feeling.